to Transition X. I'm Kim. Edith is not here filming with me. Sorry the video is so late. I didn't realize I was going to be getting this right now. Did I have lipstick on my teeth? Hopefully not. And it wasn't the mail person who brought this, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, I've received my winter Fabfitfun. I can't even see the box. It's big. I didn't do any add-ons this time. You guys know, like in prior ones, I did like $200 worth of add-ons or whatever it was, but this one I just picked some extra items. You know, like when you customize, you can pick like additional things, so I think I chose like an extra few things that way. And it's kind of hot in my house. We just barely turned on the air, so I did get my leak fixed though, which is, I'm like, praise God for that. Okay, so they were shipping in that big box, and then I can't even get this out. And then like the actual size of the box itself, the other one is just like that. I don't know if you guys can see the whole thing, obviously, but we like to be close to the camera, so when we're holding up the individual items, you can see those. But that's probably the box with everything I chose, and then everything outside of the box is probably things I added on. So, okay, so I know one of the choices, maybe I should get the book out. Maybe that would make more sense. Sorry. I'm hoping I don't knock anything over. I don't think they put like surprise items in the boxes anymore. I think they just have you, you know, pick the things you're going to be getting, but we'll find out. I mean, they did put like a deodorant in the last one, and then that alcohol-free beer too. They did that. Let's see. It says, pass this along to a friend who will love Fabfitfun. And it's like $15 off their first box. I'll set that in there. Okay, and then a little booklet, which I guess I'll set this box next to me and try to go through the book as I do this. I do notice though they came with some stickers, so that's good. Sorry, our room's kind of like darkish too. I noticed that. It seems like all shadowy in here. Sorry for the lighting. Okay, so no, I mean there's other like, I guess I can show you the other page I'm flipping through. Maybe you have to do it online still, or you have to like see what you got online. I mean, because it talks about like the refills that they have as an option that you can get, and you can boost your box. I mean, does it just talk about what you can do? It doesn't show you. I guess maybe it doesn't show you what you picked. I mean, it has some of the products in here. Like I know that these hair, what do you call them? Like bonnets. I know that like that was one of the choices. So maybe this is the way it's showing us the choices. It's just different than what I'm used to. So I'll just show you what I got. That's taking forever. Okay, so I don't remember what this was with, like what this was against, because this was one of the choices. But I wanted this plus whatever it was going, you know, was in the same category to choose from. So I got two items that was on that page. And this is like a Michael Kors little like beanie. I just thought it was cute. So I got that. I'll just show you what I got. And then, oh, and then I think I got the scarf, even though I was like hesitant on getting the scarf because I kind of like scarves that are cute, but also provide like some type of warmth. And I wasn't sure, like, definitely feels like it'll be warm. I think I said it was made of acrylic. I could be wrong, but it's a big old scarf. Does it say? I don't know what it's made out of. Oh no, it's polyester and acrylic. So, but I got the scarf. Maybe I should have put this camera further back because you guys can't see everything very well. That scarf. It's too hot to have it in here. I'm like, scarf. Okay, and then I know one of the choices had the floss that I typically would get anyway, the Cocoa Floss, I think is what it's called. So I picked that. It comes with, you know, the 3. I think that was actually one of the choices on the page, so I chose that. I'm like, how much stuff did I get? This is Vitamask's Cranberry and Apple Probiotic Repair. I didn't remember that I chose that, but apparently I did. Is my hair all stuck up now? I'm like, got that. I swear, because I don't remember picking a sheet mask, if that's what this is. It says it's a sheet mask. I don't remember picking a sheet mask, but we'll have to see if I got all my other items, I guess. They had this like milk frother on there, and I couldn't choose between this and something else, so I added that on. I chose it as an extra customized. They had this mason jar cocktail shaker kit, so I picked that. I don't know if you guys can see it. I wonder if I should take it out so you can see it. Any of the stuff opened quick enough. I'm like, part of it was made with like silicone or something, they said. Maybe it's covered with, or the grips, like this part I think is silicone, or maybe it's not. I don't know, maybe it's just plastic. That's what it looks like. So you can like shake it. And then it's got, I think like parts are inside. Yeah, see, like that. So they had that. So I actually like their options this time. As far as like the choices, most of them I liked. I know they had like a basil plant in there, and I'm hot. They had a basil plant, and I actually grow my own basil, and so I didn't get that, but I kind of like wanted to get that. That was one of the choices. Another thing I got was it says sur la table, a 4-piece silicone utensil set, because our dogs have gotten a hold of ours, like the spoons we have, and so I just thought this made more sense to get than some of the other things. So I got that. I got this Mark & Graham stainless steel electric wine opener, so you don't have to worry about like uncorking the wine ourselves. I thought that was neat. This like package is a little open. I got the Summer Friday CC Me serum, and I have, I don't know how you say it, Baji. I have that vitamin C serum, and it's just going to end up running out eventually, so I thought, well, this would be good because it will hopefully replace that. Oh, and by the way, so we're going to be hopefully doing our giveaway video for November tomorrow, which should be the 13th, Saturday, November 13th. Me and my sister and my niece, which is her daughter, we went through probably like 500 items of mine or something, and picked out things for giveaways and stuff like that. And we still have more items to go through, but at least I got through quite a bit of it. So hopefully we'll be posting that video hopefully tomorrow. And here's just some, it says Nourish. And then Hello Winter Dry Skin. Michael Todd Beauty. I don't know. I'm just showing you guys what comes in our box. Of course, HelloFresh is in there. HBO Max. Bright Sellers. Okay. Back to items. One thing I told Edith about that I wanted right away that I knew that they were going to have in there are these ankle weights. I guess they're for, well, I guess they're called ankle weights, but I think you can wear them like on your wrist or your ankles. I was like, I do walk a lot every day, and I just thought this could add like, I don't know, add something extra to it. Can I open this up to show you guys? I don't know. Yeah, so they look like that inside the bag, but outside they look like that. So I guess you just, I don't know, strap them on, I guess. Like, I'm like trying to see how they work. I guess you just like put them on like that or something. And I think they're like £1 each or something. They're very light, so, but that's good. I definitely wanted that. I thought that was a cool item they had in their box this time around. So I'm like, good job, Fabfitfun, for that. And then hopefully not, everything's falling over. And then they had, the box is kind of like dented in. They had this, I don't say Vadam India recovery sampler. It's like a different variety of teas. And I love tea, like love tea. I love coffee too. I love both, but they had this like variety pack of teas. I didn't realize it was organic, I think, when I picked it out, but it says it's organic, which is good. I think that's the last thing, but I'll double check. I'm trying to make this, oh, it's not the last thing. I'm trying to make this take forever. And then the other thing I chose was Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfoods. I know I have like a deluxe size of this I've been using every now and again or whatever, and so I was like, might as well get a full size of it. And so that was the last thing I got. Again, I wish I could show you what you could have chosen from, like the different choices, but I don't see that in the magazine. I guess tomorrow, if I can find it in there when we do our giveaway video, then we'll show you at that time, I guess. Anyway, that was it. Let us know what you think of the items. I think they were pretty good this time, but let us know what you think down below. Otherwise, hopefully we'll be doing a giveaway video tomorrow. Other than that, take care. Bye.